Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to design a custom profile picture using Adobe Express. So first of all, make sure you have the application installed. Open the application, click on the plus icon and select a size. For example, I am selecting square. Now click on the plus icon on the left bottom and click on media. From here, you can import the pictures. You can also import the videos and audio. Click on upload from your device. Click on gallery. Now select the image. As you can see, the image is over here. Now you can change the background color. Click on the background at the bottom. You can use any of the color. Also, you can resize it. You can remove the background and do a lot of stuff. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel. As our channel is looking forward to hit 1000 subscribers, we need your help. Hit the subscribe button.